Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to book flight tickets online in Air Canada. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in the Air Canada website, which is aircanada.com. After that, this page is gonna pop up here and you're gonna press on flights. And in here, you're gonna select the flight that you wanna take. So if you're in New York, you're gonna just select New York and you're gonna select the destination that you wanted to go to. Let's say, for example, Sydney. And in here, you're gonna have to select the time exactly. Let's say, for example, the 6th of Friday. And in here, you're gonna select how many tickets do you want and the type of the ticket as well. And you're gonna select if it's a one-way or a multiple city or round trip. And after that, you're gonna press on search. And after that, this page is gonna load right here and it's gonna show you all the prices for the premium and the economy and the business class. And basically, you have to select the time exactly. And after that, you're just gonna have to confirm. So let's say, for example, we wanted to do the economy on this time exactly. And in here, you're gonna select the type, if it's a standard or the flex. Let's say the basic, for example. And after that, it's gonna lead you to this page where you can review and confirm everything, the timing and all that. And then you press on continue as a guest if you do not have an account. If you do have an account, you can press on continue as a member. And in here, you're gonna confirm your basic information, such as your first and last name and the date of birth. And also, you're gonna confirm your contact details, such as your email and your phone number. And after that, you're gonna press on continue. And then it's gonna lead you to the seats option where you can select the seat. And after that, it's gonna give you more travel options. And the last but not least, you're gonna get to the payment where you're gonna pay. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.